In front of me is UMIDIGI A3, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So from your settings list, locate and open apps and notifications. Here enroll all apps and click on more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select reset app preferences. Then just be aware that if you would reset all apps, you will reset all disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any other permission restrictions. And if you truly want to reset all those preferences mentioned above, just click on reset apps. And that's it, it has been done. So congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.